Imagine a table with two boxes on it. One is labeled important, the other trivial. This is the simplest, most powerful tool a Stoic could offer for managing your life and your to-do list. The two boxers method is deceptively easy, but its genius lies in its ability to force clarity and action in a world full of distractions, obligations, and mental noise. Most people juggle tasks haphazardly, reacting to the loudest demand rather than what actually matters. The two boxers is about discipline, perspective, and control. It is both analytical and practical, a guide to free your mind from the tyranny of the unimportant. The first step in this process is recognition. You must catalog everything that requires your attention, no matter how small or large. This includes emails, social obligations, work deadlines, errands, and even internal pressures such as lingering worries or unresolved personal issues. Stoics understood that the mind itself is a battlefield and that unresolved thoughts can weigh more heavily than actual tasks. Write down everything. Seeing the full scope of your responsibilities creates a kind of mental transparency, eliminating the fog that comes from trying to remember, prioritize, and multitask all in your head. Once you have the full list, you apply the core principle. Place each item into one of the two boxes. The important box contains tasks that are either urgent or fundamentally aligned with your long-term values and objectives. This is where discipline meets philosophy. The Stoics emphasized that life's meaningful actions must be pursued with attention, not scattered across distractions. Anything that contributes to your growth, responsibilities, or genuine obligations goes into the first box. These are not merely tasks that someone else says are important. They are ones that you, through reflection, recognize as truly consequential. The trivial box, on the other hand, holds everything that can safely be ignored or postponed without real consequence. This does not mean worthless. It means not a friend's casual invitation that clashes with your focused work, an email you can respond to later, or even a project that feeds your ego more than your values all. Of these can be temporarily placed aside. The critical insight of Stoicism is that by acknowledging the existence of these non-essential tasks, you do not suppress them entirely. You recognize them, but you remove them from immediate control over your attention. This distinction creates mental freedom. You are no longer a slave to the demand of every trivial item. Once your tasks are sorted, the method enforces a daily discipline. Act exclusively from the important box. Begin your day with a review of what matters most, and commit to those actions before engaging with anything else. Consider an example. You are a writer, a professional, and a friend. You have a manuscript deadline, emails to answer, a social media presence to maintain, a dinner with a friend, and a new podcast idea buzzing in your mind. The two boxers method forces clarity. Your manuscript and urgent work-related tasks go into the important box. The social media updates, dinner plans, and podcast idea might go into trivial for now. You do not deny their existence. You simply focus on what delivers the highest return on your energy and aligns with your values. This method also solves a problem that plagues nearly everyone, the false sense of productivity. Many people mistake activity for progress. They check boxes on their list, respond to every message immediately, or multitask between trivial obligations, feeling busy while achieving little. The two boxers method prevents this illusion. By creating a visible separation between what truly matters and what does not, you cultivate real productivity. You do not just move items from todo to done, you move forward in life in alignment with purpose. The Stoic dimension of the two boxes is subtle but essential. The method encourages reflection and judgment. It asks, which tasks truly matter in the grand scheme of my life? It is not enough to act. The action must be meaningful. This is why reflection before categorization is crucial. An impulsive mind under stress might mislabel trivialities as important. For instance, answering an angry email immediately may feel urgent, but upon reflection, it might better serve you to wait or even let it go. The two boxers method enforces that pause, a space for reason to evaluate impulse. There is also a temporal element. Items in the trivial box are not condemned to oblivion. They are postponed, sometimes indefinitely. This is critical in an age of constant demand, where every notification and invitation seeks immediate attention. By creating this space, you preserve energy and mental clarity. The Stoics called this tranquility of the mind, the idea that external events should not dictate internal peace. The two boxes make this principle actionable. Your focus is dictated by reason and values, not by the loudest stimulus. The method scales to all aspects of life. On a macro level, consider career, relationships, health, and long-term projects. A weekly review of your two boxers can reveal patterns. Are you spending too much effort on trivial obligations? Are you neglecting the activities that produce real value? For example, if social media posts dominate your important box while learning, family or strategic work sits in trivial, you have a clear, objective signal that priorities are misaligned. The two boxers method provides an analytical framework to detect and correct these misalignments. It also teaches decision-making under uncertainty. In Stoic philosophy, you cannot control everything, only your choices and judgments. By categorizing tasks, you reduce the mental chaos that comes from uncertainty. When a new task arrives, you ask, important or trivial? This binary approach streamlines decisions, avoids procrastination, and reduces cognitive load. The mind is less likely to stall in overanalysis because the criteria are clear. The task either moves you toward value or it does not. The psychological benefit is profound. The constant shuffle between competing demands creates anxiety, stress, and a feeling of never being done. The two boxes provide a simple visual representation of control. You can literally see what requires your energy and what can wait. This simple act of categorization reduces stress because it externalizes mental pressure onto a physical or digital system. It creates a container for your responsibilities, turning an abstract anxiety into concrete action. Another subtle aspect is that the two boxes method encourages consistency. By repeatedly applying this filter, you cultivate a habit of reflection and prioritization. Over time, your instinct for evaluating importance sharpens. You no longer act reactively. You develop a mental model where the distinction between essential and non-essential becomes intuitive. This is the hallmark of disciplined Stoic practice, not just following rules, but internalizing reasoned judgment until it becomes natural. The two boxes method also integrates perfectly with goal-setting frameworks. Long-term objectives can be broken down into actionable steps and placed in the important box. Trivial or low-impact activities are scheduled for later or discarded. For instance, a business owner may categorize responding to an investor proposal as important, while attending a low-priority networking event may be trivial. Daily actions accumulate strategically rather than randomly, ensuring momentum toward meaningful results. Critically, the method is flexible. The contents of each box change over time. Today's trivial task may become tomorrow's urgent one. A doctor might place non-critical patient follow-ups in trivial until immediate emergencies are resolved. The two boxes are dynamic, reflecting reality rather than enforcing rigid rules. This adaptability is crucial because life is unpredictable, and the Stoic approach always balances rational structure with acceptance of circumstances beyond control. The method is also a tool for reflection after action. At the end of a day or week, reviewing what was completed in the important box provides clarity on progress. Seeing tasks that remained in the trivial box offers insight into whether procrastination or avoidance crept in, or whether external pressures attempted to hijack priorities. This feedback loop transforms the two boxes from a mere organizational tool into a system of self-knowledge and continuous improvement. Ultimately, the genius of the two boxes is in its simplicity. It converts complex, messy mental activity into a structured, analytical system. It forces prioritization, reduces stress, sharpens judgment, and aligns action with values. Unlike elaborate productivity hacks that fail because they overcomplicate, the two boxes succeed because they are immediately comprehensible, actionable, and philosophically grounded. They combine Stoic reflection with practical execution, giving you both insight and control. The two boxes are not just a tool for tasks, they are a lens through which you can view life. They teach that value lies not in doing more, but in doing better, not in reacting, but in choosing consciously, not in activity, but in purpose. By using the two boxes, you reclaim your attention, manage your to-do list with clarity, and develop the discipline to act according to reason, not impulse. In a world flooded with distractions and constant demands, this method provides a rare and powerful structure to live intentionally. If you want to master your focus, take control of your priorities, and live with the clarity and discipline of a Stoic. Start applying the 2 boxes today. And as always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to The Fictionist to explore more stories and strategies that turn philosophy into action.